If you're wanting to do a quick rejuvenation of a vinyl floor, this is the system for you. Bona Resilient. It is a recoating system for vinyls, marmoleums, and rubber flooring. The beauty of this system is you don't have to uplift the old vinyl flooring. You're not getting involved in grinding, creating dust, creating waste going into the environment or into our waste system. We're reusing a product that is down on the floor, giving it another life that it would not have had in the past. This product gives you a far cleaner maintenance system. We're not using harmful polishes or chemicals for cleaning. It is a 100% water-based system. Not only do you have the ability to change your colour, but you have the ability of putting a harder wear surface onto the vinyl that is down. A traditional vinyl comes through with 0.8 microns of clear coat, which is your wear layer. With the Bona Resilient system, with 2 coats of the Bona Pure, you're going to have 80 to 90 microns of wear layer there. The other beauty of the system is that by putting the clear coat over your vinyl flooring, you now have a totally impervious surface. The whole thing is now one sealed unit. Far easier to maintain, less catch points for dirt and dust. Not only is it cheaper to install than replacing your vinyl, having to do your floor preparation, and then installing new vinyl, it is a time factor. You've got a large area and you don't have the time facility to shut down an operating theatre or an x-ray clinic. We can go in there overnight, we can renew your floor, ready to open for the public the next day. The environmental benefits of the Bona Pure system. This is a 100% water-based system. There are no toxic side effects. We can install this in an environment where other people are working. Bona Resilient has been overseas for about 6 years. It's very big in Europe and all through the States. At Look Floors, we've brought it into the New Zealand market because we have been overseas, we've seen how it's performed in hospitals, airports, schools, anything where there's a lot of foot traffic. So with Bona Resilient, your clients can design any type of look that they like. Because of the colour range that's available, they could create different line markings, different colour sections throughout their floor. If you're looking to transform your business and give yourself an opportunity that you haven't had in the past, come to Look Floors and discuss the Bona Resilient system. This is an amazing opportunity to expand your business and potential of the market that is out there.